What you see here is a freezer, and it's been beeping constantly. Even if you adjust the controls from -24 to 0, the beeping will turn off then, but as soon as you turn it back on again, it starts beeping again. So there's an underlying problem with this machine. What I've done is to just balance it on some sponge, very good sponge, to protect it there, and this makes it much easier to get to what you have here. Now, in order to do this, I had to remove the cover. Now, if you don't know anything about these machines, these two screws here do nothing more than just tighten onto the mains wiring. So you can leave those alone, but they're not part of what you've got. But you do need to remove this. Now, it's just a clip, as you can see, and you can prise it off with a long Stanley screwdriver, which you've got there. And you could also use this to gradually prise off the relay mechanism, which you've got here. Now, I think the problem with the beeping is to do with this. Might not be, but it's worth a try. I've got a replacement to put in it, but as I say, what I wanted to do is just show you how to go about dealing with this sort of thing, because this is my way of doing it. The machine is a Zanussi TT110FMX, and there's nothing on YouTube concerning this particular machine, so my video will be a first. Anyway, what I can tell you, this is warm, so the compressor is still working, and I think this is more than likely going to be the reason for the beeping.